How to fix Instagram not opening in PC. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us jump right into the process. Open up any of your web application and tap on three-dot icon. From here, click on to Settings and you will see a page like this. Hover on to Privacy and Security. Here you will see Delete Browsing Data. Click onto it. Then delete your data. As you do so, go on to third-party cookies and make sure that you have toggled on Block Third-Party Cookies. Once you do so, refresh your page. Now go ahead and open up a new tab and try again. As you do so, this shall fix your problem. If it's still not working for you, then you can go ahead and download Instagram application using your Microsoft Store. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe.